Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Fronter 620, and right now I'm standing in an office building known as the 1019 building, which is part of the Schaumburg South Condominium office complex here in Schaumburg, Illinois. In this video, we're going to take a ride on their wheelchair lift here. Before we go, let's take a look at this code violation. Yep, that's right. We got a smoke detector that seems to be seems to be off the bracket with just the wires hanging. So yeah, look at that. But our main focus in this video, of course, is the wheelchair lift that they have. Also, look at that chandelier. I like that chandelier. That must be the inspection certificate there.
Which seems to be placed in this plastic folder taped to the glass along with some other similar documents.
And yeah, I guess let's get in the lift. It seems like the brand of this lift is... What is the brand? I'm not too sure, but this is what it looks like from here. Wondering if maybe... So this is a screw-driven lift. I'm gonna see if this has any information. It does not look like it, but we'll still ride the lift though. So, with that being said, I'm gonna take it for a ride. At the top landing, and to show you how far up we are, they're just looking down. Some wires just hanging out there. But here's distance from the bottom from here. Now we're going to open this and close it to reset it. And from there, we'll just take the lift down. And as you notice here, it's got a paddle. So you have to hold down constantly to get and let go, of course, will stop it. was not a pleasant landing, but it's a wheelchair lift, so what do you expect? Also, I think in some wheelchair lifts, letting go of the paddle can mess it up, so probably not gonna do that again. I also realized that we have a scenic view of the lobby, so because I didn't realize that at first, we'll take the wheelchair lift up for another ride and film from here. So here we go. Top. I'm going down, we'll look out this side. And here you are at the bottom landing. Also, you got a phone here which seems to, for some reason, not be placed on this thing.
And is instead hanging from some wires. It seems like the reason why the phone is not on the hook is because parts of the hook are missing, as you can see in this photo. You'll also notice that this phone does not have a dial pad whatsoever. Apparently, this type of phone is referred to as a hotline phone, in which in the event of an emergency, picking up the handset will automatically connect you to a local dispatch center. However, based on the state this phone is in, it most likely does not work, and if someone were to get stuck in this lift and not have any sort of mobile device on them, they'd pretty much be screwed.
The address of the building, as you can see, is 1019 West Wise Road. And a quick little cat view to show you the distance from this floor to the top floor. I'm not too sure why the building didn't choose to install an actual elevator, but this is what they have. And as mentioned before, this is screw driven. Here's the operating rails that they run on. And yeah, so now we're gonna exit the lift. I should close up. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.